Hey everyone, it's Henny Humberto from Kira Home, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Kira Home Gage flush mount. The Kira Home Gage comes in multiple different variations. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our most premium option, which I have here in front of me. Now this is the largest of the Kira Home Gages, coming in at an 18-inch diameter. Because it is the largest in the family, it only comes in a 5-light option. There are two different finishes available. We have our sleek brushed nickel on the right and our timeless two-toned oil rub bronze with anti-brass sockets on the left. The most prominent feature of this version of the Kira Home Gage is the design of the metal cage. The metal cage is made using squared off tubing, which results in a more heavy-duty and sturdy build. By comparison, our smaller, more budget-friendly version of the Kira Home Gage is made using rounded tubing. Now, while both of these are suitable for industrial and farmhouse decors, the perception that they give off is quite different. So when shopping for your next flush mount, consider the overall style and design of your interior, as one of these may suit a location better than the other. That concludes our quick showcase video of the 18-inch version of the Kira Home Gage. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online or via the phone or email listed on all of our product manuals.